Good day to you coders, and thank you for supporting us on Project Collaborate. In this video, we will cover variables from introduction to Java programming. So, what are variables? Variables are symbols that will hold a specific value. So variables examples are like x is equal to 4 or y equals to 5. This you would normally see in algebra or pre-algebra content in math classes. So in these cases, x and y, they are the variables that will hold a numerical value. Self-documenting variables. So one thing you must keep in mind, a good programmer always uses self-documenting variables. So in this case, instead of just saying int x is equal to 20, the person who reads your code will want to know what x is serving the purpose for. So in this case, if you want x to serve the purpose as age, you can say int age is equal to 20, where now the age is a variable and you're assigning the value of 20 to age. Another example is int box height is equal to 17. So for example, if you're coding for the box's height to be 17, you could create a variable of box height and then assign the value 17. Same goes as int time in seconds. So how to create a variable in code? In code, you would write int age if you're creating an integer variable, and then you could assign 20 to that variable, as you see in the top example. Or if you want to write it in one line, you could write int age is equal to 20. In this case, you're assigning a variable and you are assigning a number to that variable. So what do you do when you're naming a variable? When you're using multiple words, you want to use a lowercase and uppercase to differ between the words. For example, as you saw previously, when I wrote box height, I wrote box as lowercase, and then I capitalized the height, h in the height, so that you could differentiate between both the words. This makes variables much easier to read, and it's more professional. What you should not do is add a space between your variable's name. This will create an error because box height, that is just one word that you want to use to name your variable. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, drop our Discord server or leave a comment down below. Thank you.